Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna present my project called Stratus, which I named after clouds for no reason. It's basically a video game database thing, and I did it because I think to be honest, I grew up playing a lot of video games, and it wasn't just for fun though. And because to be honest, I learned a lot of stuff, and I could say that I learned English through playing video games when I was a really young kid, and it's also because there's a huge learning curve. And I think that's how I got into tech in the first place. And that's how I see coding. Like it's a huge learning curve, but it definitely feels really rewarding once you get things down. And when I did this, I wanted to do a project where I had to just be able to make a journal of the things I've played because I do play a lot of different stuff from a big variety of genres. And it's definitely for people who play video games. And I hope that I can do this and then have to change people's perceptions about just more than like a plaything, because there's a lot of different genres that can help you develop your mindset towards different things in many ways. So like the technologies I use were just front end wise, there's like React, Bootstrap, and backend. There's like Firebase or API, Express.js, SQL. And so one of the biggest challenges I would say I face is that the API interactions, because I think I used an external API, and then there's also Firebase and Firestore, and then I had to use those together with my own that I made through Replit Express.js and to manipulate the data with SQL and to have them all the different components react with each other is actually really difficult because especially with user authentication and you have to get the IDs and yeah, like basically I had three different things interacting with each other and it was a bit difficult, but I made it work. And then another thing that I faced, which was quite difficult, was the to make the search bar and to have it running properly. And also the filter options, because the rendering options, every time I would choose a new filter, blah, 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 it would actually not work out the way I wanted, such as when I choose the first filter for, let's say, the platform one, like say for PC for certain games, and then it would just show the correct ones. But if I choose another one again, let's say for your phone, and that what they would do is they will just put the two filters together with a PC and phone instead of just one or the other. So it's just a tip of the surface though. And another thing was to get the Firebase authentication to work with my own API because I think I did it halfway with it where I actually stored some more data on my own API and then half of it through the authentication of it and also to get the like profile picture on the nav bar working was a bit difficult. So I think I should just wait. I need to show the video, right? Okay. Okay. I put it like because it was 6 minutes long, so I think I put it on double speed. So to make everything fast. So this is
Yep,
like the
yep.
login page. Wait, how
Nice.
do I make this go away?
Which one?
I don't
I
know
don't
this
see it.
thing. Oh, you guys don't see it?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay. I don't really use Zoom though, that's why. So the first sign up and just put I use so I think I put I like nuggets. I don't know why I did that. And so just sign up through this page where it will go to the Firebase authentication. And this is like the main page where it shows like what's new and stuff. It's from the API that I use for external database. And this is like the profile picture and the profile page where I can edit the description. Just I can tell anyone. Okay. And save it. It will get saved into the database. And then I just wanted to show that it's empty first. Everything's empty because when I first sign up. So after I upload the picture, then it will be there. And then it will also show there with the top right nav bar. Yeah, after I upload it. So one of the features, like when you click on these cards, it will go into this page and you can toggle between screenshots. And if I press this add a wish list, it will get into my wish list. So when I go to my wish list, it will be there, like the different ones. So if I press delete, there will be like a confirmation. Basically the page will re-render and it will be gone if I delete it. And then go up to reviews and then create one. I just type in blah 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 blah. And okay, let me just get this blah blah. And then it will come up here, and then I'm also be able to edit whatever that I created in the first place, and also being able to delete it. Okay, and then it's gone. So okay, and then another feature that I added was like this explore page where first it's gonna render some random popular stuff first, but then you can actually search whatever you want, and then it will just show it here. And then you can
Nice.
click on them and you can filter by popularity, you can filter by release date and names, filter by different platforms. So it only show the ones on different platforms. Yeah. Okay, so this is to show that I log out, but then if I log in again, it will probably, okay, but this is my own account. This is just to show that it has my own stuff that is in my database.
Nice.
And so yeah, these are the things that are in only that I can see. So these are like my stuff. So yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, yeah,
Right.
that's it. How much time do I have left?
3 minutes left.
3 minutes. Okay, cool. So the things like one of the features I would say is that of my project is that it's really clean. It has a clean, simple design and it's really easy to use. I don't think it's particularly confusing to navigate as well. And of course, there's a lot of room for improvement, and especially during the review section. I wanted to connect it to the database and like just to show cards that are connected as well with visual aid and all that instead of it being a separate thing. But it was like really difficult. So I think this is something I have to look into. And then of course there's also more sections. Something I wanted to do is like more sections to show like what is popular, what is trending, like just from manipulating like I think the endpoint of the database API and things like that, and also doing things like tags and filters just to filter out how you can find new games by genres and stuff because they're all very different. And I think, okay, for final thoughts, I would say, even though I spent a lot of time on it, I don't think I like results wise, I'm just semi happy with it because to be honest, I don't think it was, I spent a lot of time, but I don't think that the features that I have and stuff are that much for the amount of time I spent on. And yeah, and it was really time consuming and difficult even for like the most minute small components. It will take forever to do because things don't work the way that we want them to work. And of course, things that I learned is like being patient, like Google, or asking for help and pointers. And I think something that really important is that like if I have the strong basic fundamentals mindset, it means that you can start building from there. And that's how I try to solve my problems because if you start from the most basic frame of how you want to approach a problem based on what we've learned, it's really simple to like start from there. Because if let's say a problem gets too difficult and because it doesn't work, I just recontextualize and just start from zero again and see if there's another way to solve a problem. Just like the profile page and the navbar thing, it loads really ugly. Like every time I would load it, render the page, it would be like like the SVG icon thing, like the placeholder. So what I did is I did it like a profile. So you click on it and then it will show. Because if I just put it there first, it's gonna be like super ugly when it renders every page. Yeah, things like that. So I just want to say thank you. I love ChatGPT and Google because I think they did a lot of work for me. Because otherwise, I don't think I would be able to do without them.
Nice.
But yeah, because it's
All right.
2023. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
These are the links.
Okay, cool. Thanks so much. All right, thank you, Kevin. Let's give round of applause. Maybe Kevin, is there a demo where you're able to show whether it's mobile responsive?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. I already unshared my screen, right?
Yep.
Hold
Let
on.
me just share again. So just
Okay.
that's one more thing only, and then you're
Okay.
good to go.
Share. Okay, where is my app? So basically, if I make it smaller, you can like
Nice.
controlize to these parts.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
Oh,
basically the let me click on it and then it should be able, yeah, even the pictures and
nice.
stuff, they
Yeah.
should be able to do it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
Hey, great. Good job.